Micromedics Drug Reference Application. Micromedics is developed by Truven Health Analytics, which is a subsidiary of the IBM Watson Health Company. Truven Health offers market-leading performance improvement solutions based on data integrity, advanced analytics, and domain knowledge. Their team of 90+ specialized clinicians examine more literature than any other provider, which ensures their prescribers receive the most up-to-date information possible. Micromedics is an evidence-based clinical decision support system for healthcare providers. It supplies caregivers with unbiased, referenced support for medications, disease, toxicology, acute care, and alternative medicine. Micromedics gives up-to-date information on medications, including dosing for adults and pediatrics, contraindications, drug interactions, adverse effects, drug action, drug forms, and things to monitor when taking that medication. Many institutions have a Micromedics subscription so that its providers are given the tools they need to provide safe and informed care. This is an example of what the application looks like and what is displayed after you have picked a certain drug. Micromedics is helpful to nurses in many ways. With it being updated at least once a month, Micromedics gives much more up-to-date information than a book does. It can help nurses to save time by just typing in the drug they have questions about and clicking on what they need, as opposed to searching through a book to find the right page and then flipping through the pages to find what they are looking for. In an emergency, when you don't have time to call someone, this application gives nurses the answers they are searching for right at their fingertips. I have personally worked night shift and know how it can be difficult to find certain information about a drug at night. This application makes it so much easier to be able to look up the information for yourself. Micromedics provides caregivers with information at their fingertips, like disease information and management. This information can be very useful to providers, especially when discharging a patient home. Since this application can be downloaded to cell phone devices, it makes it easier for a nurse to be able to carry their phone around with them as opposed to a large reference book. The application gives detailed information on toxicology and adverse reactions, which can help a nurse to spot these events much sooner. The Micromedics 2.0 mobile application is compatible with Apple devices, including Apple iPhone, the iPod Touch, and iPad devices. It is also compatible with BlackBerry and Android OS devices. However, if using a BlackBerry device, it can only be used with the Opera Mini 4.2 browser because it is the only one supported. If the facility you are employed at has bought a subscription to Micromedics, then you are able to download the application for free with your login information. For others, the application can be purchased for $2.99 annually. There are also 2 other applications offered by Truven Health Analytics that deal with intravenous drug compatibilities and pediatric essentials. Micromedics is an evidence-based clinical decision support system for healthcare providers. It supplies caregivers with the tools they need to make prompt, educated decisions when it comes to patient care. It can help to reduce errors by giving nurses the answers right at their fingertips, all of which will help to improve patient care and decrease the potential for errors. Are there any questions I can answer?